Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the starter on a Nissan Titan. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and engage the parking brake. Gather your tools, including a socket set, extensions, and a torque wrench. Safety is paramount, so disconnect the negative battery cable from your battery. This prevents accidental electrical shorts while you work. Now, let's get ready to access the starter motor. With safety precautions in place, it's time to access the starter. You'll need to raise the front of your Titan using a floor jack and then secure it firmly with jack stands. This provides crucial working space underneath. Depending on your specific model, you might need to remove a few components, like a section of the exhaust, to gain clear access. Once visible, carefully disconnect the main power cable and the smaller solenoid wire from the starter. Now that the old starter is accessible, unbolt it from the transmission housing. There are typically 2 or 3 bolts holding it in place. Once removed, carefully slide the old starter out. Take your new starter and position it in the same location. Align the mounting holes and hand tighten the bolts first, then torque them to the manufacturer's specifications. Finally, reconnect the electrical wires, ensuring they are snug and secure. With the new starter installed and all connections secure, it's time for the moment of truth. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Get into the driver's seat and try to start your Nissan Titan. It should crank over smoothly. Once confirmed, lower your vehicle safely. Always double-check all your connections and ensure no tools are left behind. Also, check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.